Let us discuss pressure correction, which is the second part of Van der Waals equation for state. Due to two faulty postulates of kinetic theory, the real gas deviated from ideal gas equation, and this was modified by scientist J. D. Van der Waals. In first part, he has corrected volume, taking into volume consideration as the closest approach of two molecules. In part 2, he has corrected pressure correction, considering that there is intermolecular force of attraction in between gas molecules. Had there been no intermolecular force of attraction in between gas molecules, the gases cannot be liquefied at a high pressure and low temperature. As there is intermolecular force of attraction exists in between gas molecules, gases are being liquefied at high temperature, under high temperature, at high pressure and low temperature. This leads to the conclusion that there is intermolecular force of attraction exists in between the gas molecules. Van der Waals takes this concept into consideration and modify the pressure. Let us consider a vessel in which gas has been enclosed. We have to consider two cases. First cases, you consider a vessel in which the gas molecule at the center, It will be attracted by its neighboring molecules. It will be attracted equally by its neighboring molecule. Thus, the resultant force on the gas molecule is zero. The resultant force of attraction on the gas molecule is zero, because the vectors equal in magnitude on opposite direction cancel to each other. As the central molecule is attracted equally by its neighboring molecules in all opposite directions, therefore the resultant force acting on the central molecule is zero. Thus, this molecule is free to move in all possible directions and collide with the against wall of the vessel and will exert pressure. This is the case of central molecule. Let us consider the case of molecules. Those are colliding against the wall of the vessel. The case 2, you consider the case 2, the molecules, those are about to collide on the wall of the vessel. These molecules will be attracted toward inward direction only, because there is no molecule outward the vessel. These molecules, those group of molecules, those are about to strike on the wall of the vessel, it will be attracted towards inward direction only by its neighboring molecule. Thus, it will exert a less force and hence less pressure on the wall of the vessel, because their force is decreased by the attraction of the gas molecules towards the inward direction. It is due to possible the presence of intermolecular force of attraction in between gas molecules. Van der Waals considers here the intermolecular force of attraction in between the gas molecules. Therefore, the molecules those are about to collide against the wall of vessel will exert less force and hence less pressure on the wall of the vessel. Therefore, we will get less pressure than expected from the ideal gas equation or from the kinetic theory point of view. From the kinetic theory point of view, we will feel less pressure due to this inward attraction of the neighboring molecules of the gas. Therefore, in order to get ideal pressure, in order to get ideal pressure, we have to add a pressure term to the observed pressure, because ideal pressure we are not getting due to this inward pull. Hence, in order to get the ideal pressure, we have to add certain pressure which has been decreased due to the attraction, inward attraction of the neighboring molecules to the observed pressure, because the observed pressure is less than the ideal pressure. Now we have to calculate what is the pressure term. What is the meaning of pressure term? We add a new pressure term P. We add a pressure term P. We add a observed pressure to the pressure term P. This is P ideal. This is P observed. This is additional pressure term P. Now we have to calculate this pressure term. We have to calculate this pressure term. This pressure, we know this pressure is dependent on two groups of molecules. First one, those are about to strike on the wall of vessel. Those are strike on the wall of vessel. And second group, those are attracting these molecules toward inward direction. Thus, this pressure term, additional pressure term P, depends upon the two groups of gas molecules. Those are about to strike on the wall of vessel, and those are attracting these molecules towards the inward direction. Hence, first we calculate first one, those are about to strike on the wall of vessel. Thus, the P, additional pressure term P, is directly proportional to the number of molecules about to strike on the wall of vessel. Number of molecules about to strike on the wall of vessel. This is also proportional to the density of the gas. Small p, additional pressure term small p, is proportional to the density of the gas. Density of the gas. Second case, also the P also depend upon the number of molecules those are attracting inward direction. P directly proportional to the number of molecules those are attracting inward direction. This is also depend upon density of the gas. Therefore, the small p for case 2 is also dependent on density of the gas. Hence, we can combine these two equations. We can write P is proportional to density square. P is proportional to d small p, additional pressure term small p is proportional to d square. We can write P is equal to some constant A, and density for density we can write N by V square. N by V square. Hence, the equation is for P is equal to directly proportional to d square. P is directly proportional to d square, and P is equal to some constant A into N by V square. A is called the pressure constant term. A is called your pressure intermolecular. A is called intermolecular force of attraction constant, and is constant for a particular gas, and A varies from gas to gas. A is called the intermolecular force of attraction term. It is constant for particular gas. It is constant from particular gas. Now we can substitute the value of small p in this main equation, that is P ideal is equal to P observed plus small p. In the place of a small p, we can write P ideal is equal to P observed plus A into N square by V square. N square by V square. This is the pressure correction term. That means P ideal is equal to P observed plus A N square by V square. A N square by V square. Now we can modify the ideal gas equation according to scientist Z.D. van der Waal, considering the intermolecular volume as well as intermolecular force of attraction. PV nRT can be modified as P plus a n square by v square whole into v minus nb is equal to nRT. P plus a n square by v square whole into v minus nb is equal to nRT. For 1 mole of gas, n equal to 1, we can write the equation P is equal to a by v square whole into v minus b is equal to RT for 1 mole of gas. This is the final van der Waals equation for state, because the scientist van der Waals modified the kinetic ideal gas equation PV is equal to nRT into P plus a n square by v square whole into v minus nb is equal to nRT. This is the final expression for van der Waals for equation of state, because the van der Waals modified kinetic equation because due to the two faulty postulates of kinetic gas. That is, according to kinetic gases, there is no intermolecular force of attraction existing in between the gas molecules, and the molecular volume is very small, and hence it can be neglected. Due to this faulty postulate of KT, the PV is equal to nRT equation does not hold good for real gas for all temperature and pressures, for which the scientist van der Waals modified this equation. This is the final expression for van der Waals for equation for state. This is thanks.